Wow. Ano ulit yung, baka puwede mo ulitin yung verse na binanggit sa'yo? Sabi mo ulit kanina brother?
Yung holy, holy, holy is the Lord God Almighty.
Ay hindi, I mean yung verse na sinabi sa'yo ni Lord.
Yung nilagay ni Jesus, yung John 17:21-23.
Wait lang lang. That's 17. John 17:20 to 23,
John 17:21-23.
21 to
To 23. Yun yung high priestly prayer ni Jesus po.
yes, ito yun, sabi, New International Version, that all of them may be one, Father, just as you are in me, and I am in you. May they also be in us, so that the world may believe that you have sent me. I've given them the glory that you gave me, that they may be one as we are one, I in them and you in me, so that they may be brought to complete unity, that the world will know that you sent me and have loved them, even as you have loved yon.
Yes
Which
po.
is, yun naman talaga ang gusto ni Lord, na lahat ay bumalik sa one true church niya, di ba?
Opo. Unity talaga yung gusto niya.